kind of looking for like a gem scent that has sandalwood, like heavy on sandalwood. And this is good. Oh my goodness. I am so glad I got this. Oh, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Oh my goodness. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today we have a ZARA haul. So if you're interested in seeing some of the things that I picked up from ZARA, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. But that's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. We'd love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming through. On the through. Come on and be aboard and be a part of this family. I hope you decide to stay. Take your shoes off. Stay a while. But let's get into this. Well, it's not massive. I only have 4 fragrances. So I ain't go crazy. But ZARA has had a sale. Well, actually, while I'm taping this video, it's still going on because I peeked it out to see if it was. So ZARA is having a sale. I don't know by the time you all see this video if the sale is still going on. But I decided to pick up some things. I picked up 2 things that were on the sale. Y'all know how we do. We pick up 2 things that are on the sale, and then we pick up 2 things that wasn't on the sale.
That's terrible.
Well, maybe that's just how I do. But I have some fragrances that I just wanted to share my first impression thoughts. So I have not gotten my nose on this, but y'all know I love a good ZARA, and those that are not into ZARA, it's quite all right. No shade on that. Everybody has their own thing. Some people are very into niche, and they just want to stay in that world, and that is totally fine. But honey, those that like a good old ZARA and a good old affordable option, is the video for you. Well, let's get into it. So first off, I have Femme. Okay, now I've had different versions of this fragrance, but I don't know. And those that are professional ZARA-ers, y'all know how I am. I'm not a professional ZARA-er, but those that are, let me know down below because it says Femme Weekend. So I don't know if this is the original or is this like a flanker? But let me know your thoughts. But this fragrance, we have vanilla, tonka accord, white musk, and warm woody. So I was saying to myself, I'm getting into more of the musk fragrances, and also because it's been very hot.
I have today's forecast for you. Hot!
Disrespectfully hot up in here in Tennessee. I really wanted something that would be like light that I could experience outside that wouldn't be so cloying or heavy on me. So I'm really getting into the musk. So if something is musk or a lighter fragrance, I've been looking in that direction. I know I just recently did like a clean brand. So I know I was recently talking about Ness, which Ness is, a very great fragrance house to me, underrated, but a great fragrance house that doesn't have to announce your presence, but still allows you to smell really good through those hot heat summers, okay? Let's see what this is talking about. I honestly can't smell it. I honestly can't smell it on the tester, so let's test it on skin. Okay. Oh, wow. This is very light. This is very, very, very light. Okay. So I can see pairing this with maybe some other fragrance that I have that maybe I want a light musk smelling scent. I do smell it, but it's very faint, okay? So I'm glad this was one of the ones that were on sale. I think I got this at maybe $10 or something like that. It was very affordable. So I'm glad I didn't pay overpriced for something that I can just pair with something else. So I'm not mad at this. Will this project? No. Will this last long? Probably not. Probably not. But could I pair this with some of my other fragrances? Absolutely. Okay, so not mad at this, but you know, if it wasn't on sale, yo sis wouldn't have grabbed this. Let's just say that. Okay, moving on. So next up we have Woman in Gold. Okay, and what made me get this Woman in Gold, and this was not on the sale side of things. This was $17.90. But what made me get this was the amber. They describe it, said amber note, sweet, musky, spicy, floral, caramelized peach, ylang ylang. Like those notes were like, sign me up. So, and especially for $17.90, sign me up right now. So caramelized peach, there is a lot of like peach and mango fragrances. Soap and Glory just has a ooh, honey, that's speaking loud. But Soap and Glory just had a peach limited scent that came out. It's at Ulta if you're interested. It smells amazing. Amazing, okay? And honey, side note on that peach, because I think it's Peach Please. I think that's what it's called. Side note on that Peach Please. Honey, if you have a Walgreens, and go to your Walgreens, they got the body butter. Yeah, in Ulta, in my Ulta, which don't mean too much. Okay, let's don't mean too much. But in my Ulta, they only had the body wash, and they also had the body scrub. But they ain't had no body butter. Honey, so Walgreens, hit them up for the body butter. But that fragrance, that scrub, amazing. The fragrance of that scrub, peach-wise, so loud, okay? All that to say, caramelized peach, I'm with it.
Peaches, 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 peaches.
And this is speaking loud because I didn't even put up to nose. I was like, oh, okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Now this type of peach.
Peaches, 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 peaches.
Now I don't get a caramelized peach. I do get the peach in here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, peaches.
But to me, this is a very fresh peach, okay? Like a very, I don't want to say overly powdery, but
baby powder. Smell that is. You changing diapers?
But let's just go into like, if there was a mid of powder. Well, no, it's just not all the way baby powder. Like, and it just stays baby powder alone. It has a little bit more depth to it. Maybe because of the fruity note of the peach, okay? All that to say, it's a very fresh peach.
What?
Okay, so if that makes sense to you, great. But oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Wow, this is very, very pretty. Oh. So this is again Woman Gold from ZARA. If you like a peach, but maybe you want a fresh peach, maybe you're into the fresh. I can see this like if there was a, clean aesthetic type of woman, in the family, like you would love this, sis. Like seriously, this is so good. Wow, I was not expecting that. As you can see, my face was not, but I'm going to enjoy this. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have, remember I told you all that in another ZARA haul that my sis was telling me about like this list on the men's side to get for fragrances. Well, one of them is actually on the sale side of the men's side. So this is Majestic Green and Fabrice Pellegrin is the nose behind this fragrance. He was also the nose behind the new Velvet Centel by K. Ali, okay? So I'm like, okay, now that one gave me sexy vibes. So let's see. And again, this was on the sale side of things. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Well, no.
Hate it.
But for my male cousins, my brothers, my uncles, you all would probably love this. This definitely leans on the heavy masculine side, okay? And this has vanilla, cedarwood, sandalwood, cardamom, pepper. So this is a very woody, as it says. It's a very woody fragrance. I don't get the unisex in this, but if my sis, she said that, this was one that she did enjoy. Maybe on my skin, I'm scared. I'm going to put it on my skin. I'm scared. I'm not going to lie. I'm scared. But I'm going to put it on my skin just to say I put it on my skin and test it. Okay. Okay. Nope, I still don't like it.
No, sir, I don't like it.
Because it almost kind of reminded me of the Tom Ford Femme Fabulous. It was almost leading me that way. But I think to me that Tom Ford Femme Fabulous, it gives me like a little hint of sweet. It doesn't give me full leather. Like that is definitely a leather fragrance, the Femme Fabulous one. But it doesn't, it's leather. But it doesn't like smack you with the leather where you can't come up off the floor. You know what I'm saying? It gives you a little bit of a sweet note. Yeah, this is not my jam. No, this is not my jam. However, I will be gifting this. But this is good. So, again, my males, cousins, brothers, like if this was $15.99. And to me, it's a very quality of a fragrance. Even though it's from ZARA, it's quality. And I said it was $15.99. So, bro, cousin, if y'all don't go ahead and cop this one, okay, this is really good. I'm definitely gonna gift this because this is not my jam. Definitely not. But I appreciate this on my brothers. Okay, moving on. And next, last but certainly not least, we got Miss Jo coming through. And I had to get Energetically New York, okay? So this was during all like the city fragrances that Miss Jo, Auntie Jo did. Not Auntie Jo. But this was not on sale. However, I've always wanted to have this in my collection, okay? And so I think the one that is on sale, I think it's either the Madrid one or the Dubai one. It's one of those that's on sale. So if you were interested in that collection and you want to grab that, I want to say it's in the $15 range. But this was $39, okay, about $40, but still to me affordable. I'm not mad at it, but this has cardamom, jasmine, and sandalwood. Now, I'm really into sandalwood. Like, lately, I've been like, give me all the sandalwood. Sandalwood City. And I really want something that is not going to, ooh, baby, that's not going to be so expensive. Like, I have some other sandalwood fragrances that are expensive that I don't want to wear. Oh my gosh, that I don't want to wear to the gym with it. And so I'm kind of looking for like a gym scent that has sandalwood, like heavy on sandalwood. And this is good. Oh my goodness. I am so glad I got this. Oh, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Oh my goodness. Because I was looking for something that does lean into the woody, but gives me like a fresh wood that I can still feel feminine and sexy and just all the things. And sandalwood has been given that to me lately. Ooh, baby. Oh, that's good. So if you are into sandalwood, I would say definitely this is sandalwood heavy. So if you're into that, highly would recommend Energetically New York. Okay, again, was not on sale. If you need to wait for it to go on sale, do you?
Do you, boo boo? Do you, boo boo? Do you, boo boo?
But but if you see it, I would get it because I would say this is probably popular because this is really good. This will be really good in the fall. Sis, this would be so good in the fall. Okay? This is giving me all. I'm sorry. I'm trying to come back to y'all, but this is giving me all the things that I wanted. Okay? Well, moving on. Well, that is all, family. That is all for my ZARA haul. Hey, did you all participate in the sale? Are you planning on participating in the sale? Hopefully the sale is going on while I'm still saying this. Well, it is, but when the video comes out. But if not, normally check around the holidays to see if ZARA has a sale because normally they kind of bring it out during the holidays, okay? Well, family, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. I would love to know if you've purchased anything recently from ZARA. Let me know what that is, okay? Make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to... Yo, sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.